Welcome to episode 1 of our educational series on 1031 exchanges. Be sure to watch our series on passive real estate investing basics and real estate taxation basics. We also encourage you to read our book, How to Retire from Being a Landlord, which you can order for free on our website or on Amazon.
In 2021, tax-deferred exchanges of real estate reached their centennial anniversary. The rationale for the original law was simple and still applies today.
As long as a taxpayer's money was still tied up in investment real estate, he or she should not be forced to recognize a taxable gain until the property is sold for cash or other marketable securities.
In 1954, Congress moved the tax deferral rules to Section 1031 of the Internal Revenue Code, where they've remained ever since.
You may wonder why we use the term exchange to describe selling one property and buying another. Well, the original rules required that 2 or more parties literally swap their properties directly. That, of course, is no longer the case. In 1979, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, true to form, invented a new type of exchange. A transaction now could qualify for non-recognition treatment even if the taxpayer delayed acquiring the replacement property for up to 2 years.
This approach became known as the Starker Exchange, after the plaintiff taxpayer in the case. In 1991, the IRS published new and more restrictive rules for conducting a delayed 1031 exchange, including the now familiar procedures and deadlines for identifying and acquiring replacement property.
In 2018, Congress limited the scope of 1031 exchanges exclusively to real estate.
Previously, it was possible to exchange cattle or farm equipment or airplanes on a tax-deferred basis, but today, 1031 exchanges are only available to people who own investment or business real estate.
Because of its long history and the freedom that 1031 exchanges give to taxpayers to remain as real estate investors without being penalized by transactional taxation, we are confident that the 1031 law will continue to be available for individual landlords for another 100 years.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to check out our other educational modules and visit our website at 1031capitalsolutions.com.